In this Excel certification exam, we have the following question. On this sheet, enter a formula in cell L2 that uses an Excel function to return the average age of the customers based on the value in the age column. So in cell L2, we need to use the Excel formula to calculate the average of this column. So click on L2, hit equal sign, and then type AVE, and you see the second function, push down arrow 1, then hit tab. We're gonna use a table feature here. The table name is customer. You hit tab and then open bracket and use age column, close bracket, close parentheses, and hit enter. Here we go.